Pair your Mi Watch Revolve Active with Xiaomi Wear App. Step 1. Press and hold the home button until your display turns on. Step 2. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone and install the Xiaomi Wear App. You can also install the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Step 3. Open the app and create an account or log into an existing account. For new accounts, sign into the app and add your personal details. Step 4. Click on your profile and then click on Add Device. Step 5. Select the Mi Watch Revolve Active option. Step 6. Accept the pairing request on your Mi Watch Revolve Active. Step 7. Once the Mi Watch Revolve Active has been paired, click the Start Now option on the watch. Pair your Mi Watch Revolve Active with Strava. Step 1. Install the Strava app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Step 2. Create a new account or log into an existing account. Step 3. Open the Xiaomi Wear app and go to your profile page. Step 4. Click the Add icon on the top right-hand side and then select Settings. Step 5. Click on the Connected Apps option, then select Strava and click on Connect. Step 6. You will need to log into Strava once again and authorize the app. Pair your watch with Alexa. Step 1. Open the Xiaomi Wear app and go to the profile page. Step 2. Click on the Amazon Alexa option and log into your Amazon account. Step 3. After the authorization, click on Get Started Now. You have successfully paired your watch with Amazon Alexa. You can also press and hold the home button to quickly access Alexa on the Mi Watch Revolve Active.